You know, so we about one new person in the LGBT named Copper Sauce.
What him look?
Him look like Smeagol from out a Lord of the Rings.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Bird Week, and today we have some very crazy topics to cover. But before we get into that, please like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and it costs you literally nothing. Also, if you have it, please support us on Patreon. With that being said, let's get into the video. Popular TikToker One Copper Sauce, who was mixed up in the Naya Gang death situation, was recently exposed as gay on TikTok. Listen to this.
Weird!
Because him show me already in the first video. The last video me send up on WhatsApp. Me, that's the first video call.
Weird!
Send up some live goals, guys. The live nice. Send up
Hold on. Copper Sauce. Weird. This act here.
Guys,
now tap up my screen there, everybody over here.
Rape, not a trick.
Weird. Hold on.
You know rape or trick.
Hold on to blood.
Tap up my screen there, everybody. Tap it up.
Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the flower, sweetie. Thank you.
So one for the one, I must learn. Come like you look somebody like if you come screenshot or something.
If you do think me I gotta do that, why you still show me?
Right.
Why you don't want to see like big cocky, so you know my cocky big already, where you want to see it from? What do you mean by it?
I thought you have to go spend mountain, girl.
Yes, it's a... This can't be deal either.
I'm gonna take it out too. Wait.
Oh, deal. I'm cocky, either. I'm miss your answer. Well, I want some of the bomb this cigarette wants some dickhead. What do you mean by dickhead cream? You never
You look clean.
I've been over me. I feel wonder if a pussy or I can't see her pussy.
You can't see it, it's too expensive. Euro, check 100,000 euro. It's too expensive. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, Mandy.
Yo, my team, tap up his screen, man. We got 30,000 tap it.
Watch him.
Thank you, guys. Everybody follow Mandy. Okay?
Watch him.
I tell her right now, we miss me. Every time I go up on the phone with him, Tiff.
Yeah.
I come from Barbados, I don't know them airport. But I live near airport.
I got hear him ask me if I do 3 songs.
Which airport you know Barbados?
And the woman ugly, me really think some other tell do it with she. No, my love. She would have to go. The man still bad. Wow.
Yeah, come here. Give me a threesome.
Since I'm not lying, I don't lie. She asked him to ask me. And I'm a bad man. They should have done get 3 some years ago.
We
Sir, say that, come back, promise.
We listen, but we don't judge.
Sir.
You said I'm not report my live.
Nah.
For hate speech, what kind of hate speech?
Me have a come off and come
Oh,
on.
Dev, okay.
Alright.
What kind of hate speech do them terrible?
This is crazy though. This copper sauce.
People, I want you all to go down and share your thoughts in the comment section. Bad Granny asks one copper sauce what he was doing with the transmission. Listen to this.
Copper sauce, did you push your buddy head in it?
In what? You know what? For push over know people.
I've got a pum pum.
Huh?
I've got a pum pum. It's okay. You can play against me. Let me check. Yes.
Yep, okay.
Do you want to check first before we go into any matches, just in case you think that I'm a man?
No, I know. It's okay. It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yes. It's perfectly fine.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Why didn't you check the file first?
Like I say, I thought it was a woman at first and then we find out it's a man. So we don't give a fuck when nobody wants to talk to.
Did you not FaceTime and have any form of, sexual
Yes,
activity?
you still can't know. It do all like surgery them. It do every surgery. It turn itself in a complete woman.
You serious?
I disagree because when I looked on that, I knew it was a man.
Me get tricked. So me don't know which picture you look on. I know say it is a man. But everybody, if 1,000 people see picture on me show, 900 people say they would get tricked too. So I saw you go.
People, please share your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. Now in the next clip, you will see SHEBADA welcoming one copper sauce to his family. Please take a look.
You know, so we have about one new person in the LGBT named Copper Sauce.
What him look?
Him look like Smeagol from out a Lord of the Rings.
I think I need it look saying.
No, you
Come
can't.
on, Sasa. Come on, Sasa.
One Copper Sauce.
More know how him look.
Our new sister. Wait, let me see. Wait.
Blood clad, comment
no,
investigate
no.
when you
I
mix it
him.
over your green record.
Him just come in.
I never come in there on registration.
No. Him just come. Him just come go to the closet just so.
So only the closet door open, things are fly out, you know.
Yes, I be things that fly out, sir.
One cup of sauce.
See me. In favor Smeagol coming a lot of the rings.
Oh, me know the man they name it up on here, though.
Yes.
Yeah, he never on here, but he's not trouble people.
No, him is a troublemaker.
Him? In trouble people?
Remember him they get called pan for Naya now.
Yeah, me remember that and him go trim.
Yes, and him run like Bahamas go live.
On the Bahamas.
Yeah. We don't want woman of favor destiny.
Huh?
Do man favor destiny. Living identical twin.
She said, oh yeah, rub the boy, so the boy trouble you?
No, I'm just tell you about the people and business. Alright, I'm going to skip that one because I will have a story me for you.
People, please do share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Now we are going to play our last and final clip for the day, and you tell us what you think about that.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah.
What go on, Twinkle?
Good night.
Good night.
Yeah, what go on, you good? Eh?
Twinkle, Devil, you're not Devil. Copper Sauce did know who you are, right? Because I see the message them and I have them in my phone.
Me can send them direct. He asked me from day one if I'm transmission, and I said I can be whatever you want me to be.
I see that message. Because him skip it past, I will catch him.
And when
But
I'm
I
on
tell
the
the
video
people
call
them
with
say
him,
him
when
know
I get
long
on the video
time.
call with him, when I'm on the video call with him asks me to answer the same question and say, me not show you my pussy unless you show me your hood, and him start showing me him hood. So he knew, but he wanted to be in the media and get like a shine from it. So I said, okay, go ahead, no problem.
Cause Because I see the message when him still did that talk to you up to Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
He blocked me
And
on the
me on the
day.
seat.
He blocked me on the day after the argument on the app. And I say you too fucking lying. He blocked me on the day.
Because me know say me see the message when you and him a talk till Sunday. So me I say, why you tell the people them say you never know a trick you get tricked? So me I say, the girl never trick you. You did know.
Copper sauce.
I'm
Copper sauce.
right, you know. I'm thinking that
Wait, Twinkle.
that
Twinkle.
I live in Europe. I live in Germany.
Twinkle, may I
I
ask
don't
you a
live in
question?
Jamaica.
Twinkle.
So, and that 1 year so too is a wicked liar. That's why I'm a mute him. I don't want to hear nothing about devil. Maybe you rate him, you know. Maybe you rate him, but he's very fake. But him not quick. Him not easy like them for real. He's not so easy. You have to pay devil. You get me? I have to pay him first.
Oh, yes, Devil. Yeah, all right. Me understand what you say. Come here, me see the screen record when you say, at least Devil roll out, but you could roll out.
No, that's my Twinkle.
Them want bash him, but he's stronger than them. But him know when.
You should have put out the video, cause the boy over here
I
check.
put out the video, but me text Mountain, but no reply. The video have to go.
Send me!
The video have to go out.
Send me!
As a matter,
Miss
every girl I
Mountain
want him
sister,
cheap
send me!
And him woman to share when I want address. All the time, him woman there and she know everything and she a boots him from do threesome with me, him and she. Woman.
Yeah, I hate that, people. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a lot and it doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you have it like that, please support us on Patreon. It would help the channel grow massively. With that being said, I hate that. Birdnation, stay sharp.